We might get him. I don't know. We'll
maybe I've talked to his mother.
He's so cute.
His cousin has got him.
He's so Look at that little fish.
The other one says little.
Oh my god.
Yeah, be right back. I just gotta run up to him. Hi, Rainy, just stop. I told David
So
to
cute. You're doing a 2-hour.
I took pictures of it in a little bit. I'm going to send it to Tony and put on Craigslist. I am. I'm going to post it in a minute.
Guys, he's so cute. That is it, a boy? Okay. Look at him. Oh my god.
He's playing with you.
Yeah. Dad, I want him.
Ah. What?
He's so cute. Oh, that talking.
Honey, I want to try to finish this up.
He's so cute. He's so cute.
Where are you going?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Shit, wait. Stop now, but everything's soaking wet. It poured out bad. It's fun. You have colors on the driver, baby. You have yeah, come on. You're lying. Just stop it. So quick. I give you 20 minutes, and I'll take it a little bit. I don't think close to 8, 9 o'clock.
Too much. Little bit too
Shit,
much.
like what?
See you guys on a second.
Yeah, honey, I'm not going to be able to...
Yo, you're cute. Look at that.
I'm forcing myself to do this without what I'm doing now. I'll say this.
You're so cute. I want to eat you, but then you're so cute that I don't want to. Hi, Tony. Tony, look at this dog. Daddy's so cute.
I'm going to leave the garage.
Bye, guys.